Hey, welcome to another house tour in San Diego. Today we're going to be going inside 8522 Highwood Drive, which is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath house here in San Carlos 92119. The 92119 zip code currently has a median house price of $955,000 for single family detached homes or $514 per square foot. And the median market time, or at least how long it typically takes for a house to sell, is currently 29 days. At 2,016 square feet, this Highwood Drive house has a price tag of $1,269,000, which equates to about $629 per square foot. This premium price tag gives you a completely remodeled house from top to bottom on an extra large neighborhood lot of 1/3 of an acre. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the floor plan so you can see exactly how it flows. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and share some of the key features and highlights that this home has to offer. But before we get into it, if you want to keep up with everything about San Diego real estate and our housing market, then make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Hey guys, my name is Jesse Morrison, and we offer a proven and repeatable home sale process that's backed by client results, adding up to 18% more money to your bottom line than traditional real estate agents. If you'd like to protect your family and your finances through the home sale process over the coming months, just visit the link in the description below and apply now. All right, so as we open the front door, you're immediately greeted to the stairwell to the right, and you can see the large high vaulted ceilings at the very entry. I love the open floor plan here. Throughout the house, you'll see that there's lots of natural tones on the painting, and you got the higher baseboards. You also notice that there's newer lighting throughout the house, recessed lighting, and the wood floors are they're beautiful. They're not wood, they're vinyl. But the extra large kitchen, as we're going through, there's tons and tons of cabinetry throughout. You'll notice the tile work on the backsplash is awesome, and these drawers all have soft closing mechanisms, as well as the hinges for the cabinets. Here are GE gas appliances with an actual range and hood. There's a wide farm sink there that's stainless steel, which overlooks the side of the yard. The GE package. Oh, here we have quartz countertops. And what I was saying about the GE package, it's a package that where they all match. There's cabinets everywhere for storage. You'll never have to worry about where to put your stuff. One thing that the investor did on this house is they brought the laundry from the garage and created their own little laundry room here, which is really nice. And those washer and dryer come with the house. Downstairs there's a half bath. There's no bedrooms downstairs, but this half bath is perfect for taking care of your guests when they're over, so they don't have to go upstairs to use the restroom. I love this garage because it's extra wide. When they moved the laundry into its own laundry room, it created a lot of extra space, which makes it really convenient for opening and closing your car doors and not banging into each other. Coming in from the garage, you walk right into the kitchen, which is great for bringing in groceries and that kind of stuff. Now again, that's the front door there. We're gonna go ahead and go upstairs. Upstairs is where 4 bedrooms and 2 baths are located. And you'll notice that the hardwood floors, or no, they're not wood like I said, but the hard floors, they carry on upstairs. You have 2 bedrooms to the right and 2 bedrooms to the left, including the master. This room here, it's staged as an office, but it is an actual bedroom. Bedrooms in San Diego need to have closets like this one, as well as accessible windows, which that one does. As we make our way into the master bedroom, you can see just how large it is. It overlooks the backyard. There's tons of natural light throughout the house. Just panning through here, you'll see just how much space you have. And an extra large walk-in closet, which we'll get to here in just a bit. But we're gonna make our way over to the master bathroom. It's beautifully done, guys. There's a double vanity sink, a double vanity there with 2 sinks, an extra large shower, and a standalone tub. But if you look at the detail of the tile work here, it's very well done. And I love that there's a private place for the toilet to keep that closed for extra privacy when you guys are sharing the bathroom. As we make our way over to the master closet, you'll see that it's deep and it's wide, and there's natural light there with the window. I love that. You could put a chest of drawers or some extra shelves on the left-hand side if you wanted to. Coming down the hallway, you'll notice here is the newer HVAC system, and that covers heat and air. And over here we have the linen closet, which is deep for lots of storage. Here is the third bedroom now. Overlooks the front yard. It's over the garage. And you'll see here that all the bedrooms have these mirrored closets, which is they're very well done. They're nicer closet doors. And here's the bathroom upstairs that services the bedrooms. Again, you got double vanity and a soaking tub. And the tile work here is, like I said, it's beautifully done. It's almost like a hotel feel. I love the neutral colors throughout. And these doors, they're solid doors. This bedroom here is the final bedroom, the 4th bedroom upstairs. And it also has these sliding mirrored doors. And it overlooks the side yard. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go back downstairs and make our way out to the backyard. This house here, it serves, or it's within the Gage Elementary School boundaries, which moves into Pershing Middle and Patrick Henry High School. So as we're making our way out the back door, you'll notice that like all the windows that we were looking through are all brand new. Look at how large this yard is. It's flat, it's deep. You could put a pool back here. You could add another building, which you could turn into an ADU, I guess, if you wanted to. You could put you could garden up there on that hillside. You never have to worry about rain either, water coming down to the house, because there's a gutter that services all these houses. It's built into that hillside there. This house has a newer roof on there. It has gutters that keep the water away from the perimeter of the house. And this extra large lot is perfect for RV parking. Thank you so much for touring 8522 Highwood Drive with me. If anyone you care about could benefit from this information, please just make sure to share this video using the share button below. Again, my name's Jesse Morrison, and we offer a proven and repeatable home sale process that's backed by client results, adding up to 18% more money to your bottom line than traditional real estate agents. So if you would like to protect your family and your finances through the home sale process over the coming months, just visit the link in the description below and apply now. Otherwise, if you're just looking for more information at this time, then I strongly suggest that you check out the next 2 videos that should be on your screen now, because those are the videos that YouTube thinks you should watch next. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to helping.